Nothing. There it goes. There it goes.
What you doing, Bubblehead?
Trying to tighten this. Now I need you to tighten it. Tight.
Okay, let me see it.
Tighten it.
Tighten it?
Yeah.
It sits on there. It sits like this.
Stick it. Like that.
That's how it goes. Careful, careful, careful. Walk over there and pull the string. Over there, we better hope it don't fly out of here. Pull the string right there. Where'd it go?
Cool. Do it again.
Cool.
Do it again.
Let's see.
Okay.
There you go. That's how you do it. You just set it on there and you pull the string. Pull the string fast. Pull the string fast.
No, I want to wait.
The faster if you pull it, the higher it'll go. Fast. It's in the head.
Do it again. Do it again.
Do it again. Do it again. You set it on there. You know how. Careful.
Yeah.
Yep. Just all you gotta do is make it sit there and then you pull the string. You know how to do it. You're a smart boy. Woo! It's going flying downward instead of upward. It was flying high.
Please tell me how I make it fly high.
Let's see if I can make it fly high. I bet I can't even make it fly high.
What? What?
I bet I can't even make it fly high because it's the way the wind is. Let's try. And if I could, I'll be scared
What?
that it'll fly out of here. Ooh, ah! Careful, Caiden. It's spinning, ain't it? It's still spinning.
I can catch it.
You
Let's
can.
do it again. Let's do it again.
Do it again, dude.
You do it.
I'm fixing to go up there in the top of that tunnel.
And what tunnel?
The McDonald's tunnel, and I'm going to block it because you don't know the magic word.
I'll say abacapoot.
Abracadabra. That's not that magic word.
Yeah, okay.
I see you under there.
I know you know it.
Oh, yes, I do.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, yes, I do.
I know you don't.
I do. I saw you. I saw you.
No, you didn't.
Are you hungry again?
No.
You don't want no more than fish bites?
No.
You liked them earlier.
See, it doesn't cut me.
It doesn't cut you?
No.
No, when it's flying high though and you try to grab it like we did back at Papa Wayne's workplace, it will cut you. That propeller was going vroom, 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 vroom.
But this place it does.
It went high there, huh? Woo, you did it! Awesome!
That's on fire.
It's on fire?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's still spinning. You had to stop it.
But this, I'm gonna make it spin even more than like up here. If it spins, if it works.
You done figured it out now. losing.
It's blowing like the wind, huh?
Say, Mommy's late. Where's Mommy? And Miss Allie.
I mean, why? When it flies, like Mommy.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
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 What's up, dude?
Cuckoo!
Cuckoo.
Poo-poo!
Poop box. I ain't forgot about you pooting in the car.
Cuckoo! Poo-poo! Cuckoo! Poo-poo! I'm going to chew.
Hey! Ooh, it came backwards.
It's mine. It's a Spider-Man. It's a Spider-Mobile.
It's a flymobile.
It's a soldier.
A what?
A soldier mobile.
A soldier mobile?
No.
You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Well, I like your shirt. It goes with the helicopter. I forgot when we got it. It's a helicopter shirt. What does it say? Hello down there, Buzz Lightyear. I see Buzz Lightyear.
What are those bullets?
I don't know. I'm turning this off and come up there with you.